Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create image submission, high quality image submission backlink. So this is the website dashboard and we can start. Before that we can show something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 83 and according to Moj, the domain authority 90 and the spam score is only 2%, and according to SimilarWeb, the this website drawing 6.9 million monthly visitors and the mostly traffic from USA, UK, Canada, Germany and Australia. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience and the traffic source from that kind of country, so must you guys have to create your backlink on that website. Okay, so now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please hit the subscribe and like button. Okay, so you can see guys, top of the right corner there is a register button. You can click over there and there you guys can add your email address and your password, and you can click for the sign up button, and after that this website can send you a verification OTP. So we received it, so this is a OTP, so simply you guys can copy it and you can paste it over there and you can click for the confirm account button. So there is a section you guys can add a display name, so Glenn Recruiters, and if you're wanting to receive newsletter or promotional email, so you can check this box, otherwise you can uncheck and you can click for the verification. So this is your profile landing page URL. So simply you guys can access your profile from there now. Otherwise also we have another option. So simply you can click hover for your profile section and you can simply navigate your profile. So there is a change setting button. You guys can upload your profile image. And you guys can choose your country and your location is Surrey, and in the professional summary section there you guys can add your main keyword. So suppose that best recruitment. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. Home in Canada, and also you can add a company name. And there you guys can add your website URL. In the bio section you guys can add something about your company. I'm just copying the content, but your case you guys can generate a fresh description. So you can check this box, and the promotion I wanted to receive information about the offer, and you can simply click for the save changes button, and you can see that this is our profile landing page URL, and how you guys will publish image on that website. So simply you guys can click once on your profile and you guys can go for your gallery section, and simply you guys can click for the click here button. You can add image, Okay, and after that you can click the pencil icon to optimize image details in the title section, where you guys can add a title of this image. In the description section, where you guys can add description about the image. I'm just copying this content, so you guys can ignore these things because I don't have time right now, so that's why I'm doing these things. After that I was remove those duplicate content and re-update the re-optimize images and the details. And after that you can click for the save button. So our image is ready to publish. You guys can click for the start upload button. So our image is successfully uploaded, and you can click for the public and the save. So everything is all good. So you guys can go for the profile section, again my galleries, and you guys can click once to your image and you can found your image landing page URL. So this is your image landing page URL, and this is image backlink. This is the title of this image, and this is the description of this image. So this is the process for the backlinking or image submission on that website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can gonna to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel or if you guys are haven't subscribed the channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.